Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a quick demo video of our brand new Sociible web app, which is going to allow you to create fully automated social marketing campaigns in a matter of minutes by leveraging other people's authority content for unlimited hands-free traffic, leads, and profit in any niche. And it's going to allow you to do this without having to pay for ads, without doing any SEO, without needing a website, and without even needing your own hosting account. And we've made it as simple as following 5 simple steps. Okay, this is truly the most powerful and most automated platform you will see to generate all the free social traffic and sales that you need. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this. Now, before I show you the actual demo, let me show you just a few of the campaigns that I've set up so you can see exactly how it works. Okay, now here you can see my lead generation form showing up on a very high authority website like CNN, which is talking about weight loss. And of course, this opt-in form is extremely related to this article because it's about losing weight and the article is about losing weight. Now, this particular campaign, I've got it set up to show up when the person goes to exit that particular article. Now you can see right there, when I went to exit, that form showed up right away. Okay, so that's just one example of an example campaign that shows up upon the person going to exit the page. And of course, this is a very basic form. I spent very little time setting it up. Just wanted to show you guys exactly how some of these campaigns can work for you. So this is one CNN campaign. This is another one on the BBC website. Okay, same thing, talking about weight loss. And then the opt-in form is very related, which is also about weight loss. Okay, so if someone closes it out, boom, it won't show up again. And I've got it set up that way so that it doesn't annoy the user, but it can still generate some great leads. Here's another one showing up on men's health. And you can see right there, boom, once my mouse goes to exit, that pop-up shows up to generate those leads. Here is one that I have set up to show up right away as soon as the page loads. And again, very related article based on phishing and a very related pop-up. This is a full page pop-up that is embedded with my Amazon affiliate link. And this goes to some products that help people catch more mahi. Okay, so very related website, authority website here in Florida about phishing, and my monetization here with Amazon right there that shows up immediately. Here's another one, same thing. Okay, this one is talking about a very particular kind of phishing here that's in season right now here in Florida. And if I go ahead and refresh it, you'll see that it shows up as soon as the page loads, and it's actually showing up before the even article loads. Okay, so that's even better. Boom, you can get eyeballs on your ads right away, and there you can see that website loaded up in the background. All right, so that's how powerful Sociible is. It allows you to generate leads, traffic, sales, all of that good stuff without you ever having to write a single piece of content. And now let me go ahead and jump into Sociible and show you exactly how it works. Okay, now the first step is to connect your social accounts. I'm not going to go through that because we cover that on the tutorials page, and it's very simple. You just go through a simple 3-step process that allows that authorizes Sociible to post on your behalf. I'm sure many of you have gone through that if you've ever connected your Facebook account or Twitter account to a web app. You just go, you authorize the app, and that's it. Okay, so now I already have some of my social accounts connected. Another cool thing that we have here is the ability to put them in groups. That's just in case if you're operating in different niches. It allows you to keep everything separate. All right, so the next step after that is to set up your content stream. All right, this is what's going to allow you to leverage those authority pieces of content for that Sociible can post on your behalf. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm in the Forex niche. Okay, and let's say Forex and crypto. Click add. Here you can see the Forex content stream has just been created. If I click on view, here I'll be able to cherry pick the different articles that I'd like to have Sociible post on my behalf. Now, once we get to the posting campaign setup, you'll see that you'll have 2 different options. You'll have the ability to just have Sociible post every single content from the content stream, or you'll be able to set up buckets, which is you coming in here and cherry picking the content that you want Sociible to post on your behalf, and then going from there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click add here, and here you can add it to a different bucket or create a bucket, a new bucket. Okay, click save, and now that new bucket has been created and that article has been added. Okay, let's see here. This one, Crypto Corner, that one sounds pretty good. Click add it to the Forex. Okay, update, let's click on that update one, click add, Forex, save, and that's it. Okay, within a few seconds I added 3 very relevant pieces of article to my Forex bucket, and now that's going to be cherry picked into that different bucket. Okay, so remember, you have 2 options. You have the ability for Sociible to post every single article in this content stream, or you can refine the content that you want by coming here to the different buckets that you create. And these buckets are, again, cherry-picked articles that you want specifically posted to your pages or different Twitter accounts. Okay, now another very powerful feature that we have in here is, let's say that you have a very particular article that you know is very hot in your niche. Okay, you just come here, you add it to the bucket manually here. Okay, so let's say that I want to leverage an article off of CNN about crypto. Okay, so I'm going to do a Google search for CNN crypto and get some of the most relevant content. Okay, so let's see here. This was posted on November 20th. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that link, come back to Sociible, edit that in there, click add story, and now that story has been added to this bucket as well. So that gives you a third option. Okay, you can have Sociible post on your behalf using the content stream. Then you can further edit it by adding those different articles to your buckets, or you can create completely custom buckets by coming in here and just adding all the URLs manually that you go out there and you find that are relevant to your niche. Okay, and if you have very specific websites that you know you like to get content for, again, you can create an entire bucket just from custom stories that you add to the bucket. Okay, so now that we have our content set up, let's go ahead and set up our overlay. And we have multiple different types of overlays built into Sociible. We have the bar down here that you can set up in the bottom and the top. We have the pop-up, which I showed you. We have a notification. We have the full screen, which I showed you, and I linked it to my Amazon. And then we have the Amazon products that allow you to just show up these different products on either side of the page that show all of this great information. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose pop-up for the purpose of this demo video. And once you go into the pop-up category, you can further filter it by either adding a call to action, an opt-in, a timer, content suggestion, or you can do a completely custom pop-up and add anything you want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use some of our templates that we have built in, and I'm going to use one of the opt-in ones. Okay, because I'm always a big believer in building your list. Okay, and you can see we have a ton of different templates in here built in, and depending on which package you choose, it's going to determine how many templates are unlocked inside of your account. So make sure you pay attention to that when ordering your package. But let's say I want to go with this one here. Here you can see now that I've selected the template, I have also full flexibility to edit this as much or as little as I'd like. Okay, so here you can see, want more, get my exclusive tips delivered weekly. You can see here, that's the exact text that you can edit there. You can edit the color of that text. You can edit the color of the text below it and the actual text. You can add your logo to it as well. If you want to add your logo to it, you can edit the button. You can edit how it displays. Okay, you can bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right. You can, again, have it show up after a certain amount of seconds. You can have it show up on exiting 10 after a certain percentage of the page is scrolled. Once the button is closed, you have full flexibility on how that pop-up shows up so that you're not annoying the user, because at the end of the day, you want to be able to monetize these different pieces of content, but you don't want to annoy the user, and that's why we've built this in. Okay, and again, you can do all of these other things in here: background settings, form settings, autoresponder, all of these different things you can go ahead and set up. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it as is, click save. All right, and now that overlay has been created. And another powerful thing that we have built into Sociible as well is the ability to add different products to your different overlays. Okay, now remember, here under overlays, we have the ability to add an Amazon overlay. Okay, and this is what allows you to manage the different products that get added to those different overlays. And here you can add Amazon products very easily. Okay, so if I come here to, let's do sports and outdoors. The maximum price of 300, minimum price of 50. Title, let's do fishing. Keyword, let's do fishing. Click search, and now here you can see again I can start adding products that I have with Amazon that I've already connected to Sociible, and we'll, in the tutorials area, we'll walk you through exactly how to connect your different Amazon accounts. But that's how simple it is to create an Amazon monetization campaign as well when you go ahead and create an overlay for Amazon. All right, but now that we've got all of that set up, let's go ahead and actually add a campaign. This is very, very simple the way we've set this up. So let's just put that demo campaign here. The group, okay, you have the option to post to a group or to a specific account. Okay, so here if I select a specific account, then from there I'm gonna go ahead and select the different either Twitter account that I want or the Facebook page that I want. So let's say that I want to go ahead and choose the fishing page that I have. Posting mode, remember this is what I mentioned before. You can have the stream posting, which is going to post every piece of content based on the keyword that you entered here, or bucket posting, which is going to select the articles that you hand selected from the stream or that you put in there from using the custom story feature. Now that I selected the bucket posting, now I can select the actual bucket that I created. All right, the limit type, I want to go ahead and post every single day. The number of posts, I'm going to go ahead and do 3 posts per day. And let's say that for the purpose of this page, let's say I get the most interactions between 9 and 11 a.m. And let's say I also get some great interaction between 2 and 7 p.m., for example, okay? So now this campaign is going to post on my page between 9 and 11 and 2 and 7. Okay, now here's where I can enable my overlay as well. So if I select that, the overlay type, this is going to have 2 different options, default and custom domain. In one of the upsells that you will be presented, you'll have the ability to add a custom domain, which will have your campaigns show up as being posted under your custom domain instead of Sociible being the one posting the content. Okay, so very, very powerful option there. Make sure you pay attention to that. So this also gives you the opportunity to control how many of your posts show up with overlays. Okay, if you want to do 100%, go ahead and do 100%. Some people may want to just have some have overlays and some not. This gives you that option. The overlays to use, okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the Mahi one, which is the one that I showed you previously. But you can go ahead and use the demo one as well, which is the one that I selected. And you can go ahead and have as many overlays used, and then Sociible will rotate through them and show them at random, okay? Now here, we also have the content AI. Make sure you pay attention to this as well, because this is going to be another upsell where you'll be able to enable our content AI system, which will self-optimize these different posts and do some very, very cool things. Okay, make sure you pay attention to that once you get to there. But once I'm done doing all of that, I just hit create, and that's it. Now my campaign has been created. So within a matter of a few minutes. Now, of course, it took me a lot longer to explain this, but without me walking through this video, I can literally come in here, create campaigns within a matter of minutes. And within a matter of minutes, I'll be able to create fully automated social campaigns that generate leads, traffic, and sales, again, by leveraging other people's authority content without you having to write a single word yourself. It requires no paid ads, no hosting, no SEO. You don't even have to set up a website. You just come in here, set up your campaigns, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching this demo video. Make sure you go below this video, check out all the other features, check out some of the example campaigns that we have posted below, check out all the features, and make sure you select the package that's right for you.